So here in Jabal Akhdar, you'll find 3 villages that are famous for its rose water. We're in one of them right now. The villages are very small, under 50 people in each of them, and we're gonna meet Alaith and his family. We're gonna try to help him pick them roses.
He's here.
Alaith and his family are one of just a few people in Oman who still own rose gardens. And once a year, the heart of the Omani's rocky terrains are carpeted with millions and millions of pink blooming roses. During the harvesting season, the family comes together right before sunset to pick up all the roses by hand.
A special way to pick the rose, we put the finger here and 2 fingers here, okay, and like that. Yes.
So, like this, yeah?
Yes.
And then you
Yes.
pinch, kinda.
Yes.
Yeah?
Good.
And how long it takes you to pick?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
30
Yes,
minutes, so quick?
But if with my family, but if I am alone, I'll take
Much longer.
Yes. Long time.
To sustain this way of life, the younger generations must learn from their elders. That is why their kids start to learn the knowledge and the techniques of rose farming from a very young age. For this family, it is not just about cultivating roses. It is a tradition that connects them to the land and the culture of Oman. Oh, so beautiful. It's actually really heavy. 10, 15, 20 kg. Maybe this sounds like an easy job in a beautiful destination, but to give you a perspective of how hard the rose farming is, know that it takes about 4,000 kilograms of rose petals to make just 1 liter of oil.
We put the rose full under here, just roses, okay, and we put this bowl here above the rose, and we close it by that. We put here cold water, and after that switch the fire from down. When the rose is cooking, the smoke for rose come up, and after that will drop here. So they take like 2 hours to 3 hours.
So how important are roses to your family and to Oman?
The rose season is very important here in Oman, especially in the mountain, because the people who is living in Oman in the mountain, they will give him support for live here, and the rose water it's special in Oman, so we use for Omani coffee, for Omani sweet, and for our food, and for head it's good. So the rose season is very important in Oman.
While there are rose factory farms in Oman that can mass produce rose water, they often lack the personal touch and the authentic atmosphere that the family-owned rose farms can
We
provide.
want to take photo of the roses, not of us.
Alaith and his family met us with open arms, smiles, interesting stories, and made us truly feel welcome.
شكرا.
Interacting with the family and learning about the history and tradition of rose farming allowed us to gain a deeper appreciation of the culture and the way of life in Oman. We realized that rose harvest season is not just about collecting roses, it is also about experiencing the beauty of nature.